Nike continues to refresh its running lineup, and while premium models often grab the spotlight, the Nike Structure 26 proves that performance does not always need a premium price tag. Designed as a more accessible option, this model caters to runners who want stability, comfort, and style without spending over $200 on a high-stack trainer. The Structure 26 may fly under the radar, but it brings its own standout appeal through a bold, matrix-inspired design. The upper features a warped checkerboard grid that gives the shoe a futuristic, motion-driven look. This visual theme is carried through clever color inversions between the upper, midsole, and mudguard. Adding to the digital-inspired aesthetic, Nike's signature Volt color appears across branding details and fully covers the insoles for a striking finish. Balancing everyday performance with eye-catching design, the Nike Structure 26 is set to release on January 1 with a retail price of $165, making it a strong value pick for runners and sneaker fans alike.